Now we're gonna talk about the carrier unlock. The carrier unlock will allow you to use your iPhone with any carrier if you travel, if you want to switch providers, or if you want to use your phone with any other different SIM card. This method will help you get your phone unlocked to be compatible with any GSM SIM card anywhere in the world. This is 100% legal. Your phone will not be damaged in any way. It is in fact very positive and beneficial for the iPhone to be fully network unlocked. Because your phone's resale value will increase because your phone will be compatible with any other carrier worldwide. I have unlocked more than 100 iPhones using this method, and trust me guys, it is the best and most reliable way to unlock your iPhone. So we're gonna begin. The first thing you have to get is your phone's IMEI number. The phone's IMEI number is located in the back box or in the SIM card tray, or you can get it by dialing *#06#. And as you will see, the 15-digit number of your iPhone will pop up in the screen. And this is probably the most important step of the whole unlocking procedure. Make sure you have this number somewhere close because we will need it in a few seconds. Here we're gonna request the unlock to unlock this phone. It's gonna be all done remotely. So we're gonna have to fill in all the information about the phone we're unlocking here. And then you have to enter here your IMEI number. This is very, very important. Make sure you enter it here 100% correct. If there's a mistake here, this method will not work. The last step is to enter your email where you want to be notified once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. And now you just have to wait until they send you your email saying that your iPhone has been unlocked. The waiting time may vary depending on your phone's brand, carrier, and model. So I'm gonna show you how the email will look like after you receive it. So we're gonna go to my personal email account. So this is the email I just got, and it says your iPhone has been factory unlocked successfully. So let's go ahead and open this email. So the email will confirm that your iPhone has been successfully unlocked. And now the last step is to connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi to activate the unlock. So that's the way you do a network factory unlock.